Chapter 5. Consciousness. The biggest mystery. If reality is a simulation, then what are we? Code, avatars, or conscious entities inside a digital system. This is where things become deeper. Much deeper. Science still does not fully understand consciousness. We know neurons fire electrical signals. We know brain activity creates experience, but no one knows how subjective awareness emerges. Why do you feel like you? Why is there an observer inside your mind? Some researchers suggest consciousness might not be produced by the brain. Instead, the brain could be an interface, like a VR headset. If that's true, then consciousness could exist independent of physical matter. In a simulation framework, your body would be an avatar, but your consciousness, it could be the player, or it could also be simulated. And that's the unsettling part, because if consciousness can be simulated perfectly, then a digital mind would not know it is digital. It would feel real, just like you do right now. Chapter 6. Glitches in reality. If we are inside a simulation, could there be glitches? Moments where reality fails. Some people report strange experiences, Mandela effect memories. Mathematical constants appearing everywhere. But here's the important thing. There is no scientific proof that these are glitches. They can be explained psychologically. However, from a theoretical perspective, a sufficiently advanced simulation could hide all errors. It could correct inconsistencies instantly, like patch updates, like background processing. If reality were code, it would likely be flawless, and any glitch would be corrected before detection, which makes proving it almost impossible. If you're still watching, you're part of a rare group of thinkers who question the surface of reality. On AI Future Yonks, we explore not just technology, but the ideas that shape the future of humanity. If you enjoy deep documentaries like this, subscribe and join the journey. Now, let's go even deeper. Chapter 7. Can we test the simulation? This is the critical question. Can we scientifically test whether we are in a simulation? Physicists have proposed ideas. Search for computational limits in physics, detect pixelation in spacetime, find maximum processing speed of the universe, look for anomalies in cosmic background radiation. So far, nothing conclusive. But imagine this. If the simulation is advanced enough, it would prevent discovery. Just like a game prevents characters from leaving the map, you cannot walk beyond the programmed boundaries. Maybe black holes are boundaries. Maybe the speed of light is a processing limit. Maybe quantum uncertainty is compression. We don't know, but the parallels are thought-provoking. Chapter 8. If we create our own simulations. Here's where things get truly fascinating. Right now, humans are building AI capable of generating worlds. Video games simulate cities. AI simulates weather patterns. Scientists simulate universes inside supercomputers in T-future. Humans may create ancestor simulations, digital universes populated by conscious beings. And if we do that, then we become the creators, which raises a disturbing question. If we are about to create simulated universes, is it possible we were created the same way? History could be repeating itself at higher layers of reality. Simulation inside simulation. Stacked infinitely. Part 3, Final Act. Chapter 9. Who would run the simulation? If this is a simulation, who created it? An advanced civilization, future humans, artificial superintelligence, or something beyond our comprehension? Important clarification. Simulation theory does not claim a divine being. It is a technological hypothesis, but it raises philosophical questions about purpose. Are we being studied, observed, tested, or is this just entertainment for a higher intelligence? We don't know, and perhaps we can never know. Chapter 10. What would happen if we found proof? Imagine tomorrow scientists discover undeniable evidence. Reality is code. The universe is simulated. What happens next? Global panic, religious upheaval, scientific revolution. Nothing changes, because even inside a simulation, Pain still hurts. Love still feels real. Choices still matter. Your experiences are still meaningful to you. Even if the universe runs on code, your emotions are not reduced. Your consciousness is not invalidated. Meaning is not erased by mechanism. Final message. Emotional cinematic closing. Maybe we are base reality. Maybe we are a simulation. Maybe reality is far more complex than either idea, but here's what matters. Whether the universe is physical or digital, you still exist within it. Your thoughts still shape your future. Your decisions still carry weight. And perhaps the true purpose of the simulation, if there is one, is not to trap us, but to allow us to experience, to choose, to grow, to question, and if questioning reality is part of the program, then maybe you are doing exactly what you were meant to do. This has been AI. If this documentary expanded your mind, share it, subscribe, and stay curious, because the future may not be what it seems.